Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Fahad and this video is about the having clause in MySQL. So first of all, let me define it to you. Okay, sometime as we know that we use where clause to put the conditions in our the MySQL table or in the MySQL code. Okay, so if I just want to put an aggregate function within a condition, I cannot use the where clause there. I have to use the having clause there. Alright, so let me just show you how does it work in the code. Okay, we have a same kind of scenario that we were having on the last video of the group by. I want to see the number of countries in a different continent, but here is the condition. I only want to see those countries who have more than 40 countries. Alright, so let's just write this thing here. Select. So if you haven't seen the video about the group by statement, okay, so I will recommend you to watch out that video to get an idea how does it work. I will give you the link in the description. Now we are about to use the having clause because we cannot use the where clause with the aggregate functions. Alright, so having clause and okay, so count and greater than 40. Let me just remove this thing first and see. Okay, now you can see here all the continents with their number of countries in there. Alright, in the North America we have the 37 countries, but I want to see only those continents who have more than 40 countries there. Alright, so now we have a condition here. Okay, so let me just run this thing. Okay, now you can see that we are only having those continents which has the higher countries than 40. Alright, you can see the values here. We can also do it with the other things here. I want to do it with the region now. Let's see how does it work. Here I want to know how many countries are there in the different regions. Alright, now I'm just putting the condition to 20. Okay, let me just remove this thing first, then we will add this. Okay, now you can see here we have the difference of bunch of countries in the different regions. Now what do you want here? I want to put a condition here using the aggregate function that only show me those countries who have higher number of countries than 10. Alright, so let's see how does it work. Now you can see we are only having those countries who have higher value than 10. Okay, so if I just say less than 10, it will only show you the values that have value less than 10. So this is how the having clause work. And if you really find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.